Welcome to Old School Bodybuilding, guys. Alright, so today in this episode, I just wanted to discuss some of the top mistakes that I see trainees making when they first start out training, or even after they jump into the fitness industry or fitness of some sort in some capacity. So let's get right into this. So number one, the first thing they do is they do not choose a goal or have a vision in which they are trying to achieve. So that's number one. Basically, the problem here is they don't have any real motivation for them to stick to when things get tough. And believe me, things will get tough. So for example, Arnold, he used to visualize himself up on stage holding the trophy. Everybody was cheering for him. He visualized himself being a champion and becoming the greatest bodybuilder ever. And he arguably became his dream, his goal, and his vision. So first off, decide what you want to become, what you want to look like, and what you want to achieve. Okay? So next off, number two, not choosing a mentor to emulate. So if you want to look like the old school classic physique bodybuilders, then you need to try to choose one of them in which you want to look like. So after you choose them, start diving into what they did, what they ate, what they trained like, and so on and so forth. Basically, become obsessed with them. As Grant Cardone says, be obsessed or be average. And that is true. So number three, not putting a plan together that you can be consistent with. The biggest part of achieving those first two items is putting a plan together that fits your lifestyle and that you can be consistent with. As you guys may or may not know, bodybuilding is all about consistency. Consistency in bodybuilding is paramount. So don't choose a plan in which you think, in which the plan is per se training 2 times a day, 6 days a week to reach the goal, when you can only realistically train 3 days per week for maybe 30 minutes each, okay? And then start researching some different types of diet schemes, some training routines that's going to work for your schedule. So for example, if you work in an office somewhere and you can't cook eggs at work, but you want to try the steak and eggs diet, well, you'll probably just kind of need to adjust it a little bit. You may need to have to boil some eggs, or maybe take them in a shake with you to work. So just kind of figure out what's going to work best with your schedule that you can stay consistent with, okay? So to recap, number one, choose a goal, a vision. Number two, find someone you want to emulate. And number three, find and create a plan that fits your lifestyle schedule that you can be consistent with, guys. Alright? Now get out there and be your vision, find someone to emulate, and put a plan together. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions or concerns, leave them in the comments section below.